How to create a voting poll on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, let me show you how you can create a voting poll in WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your WhatsApp and then you're gonna choose the contact or a group where you want to send the voting poll. So I have selected this group right here. Now what you will do is you will click on this plus button right here from where you actually add a photo or a video to your WhatsApp. So we're going to click on this plus button and now you can see we have a bunch of different options. We have a camera, document, a photo and video, we have contact, and then at the end now we get a new option which is the voting poll. So we're going to select this option right here. Now we can create a poll with different options. So you ask a question. Let's add a question here like this. And now we can add the options. For instance, yes or no. We can add more than two options like this. Then we have these three lines. So you can see these are the options and I can add like 4 options, 5. And once the question is added, the options are added, you click on send. And the poll is sent. You can see this is what the poll looks like. This is the poll and now we can actually answer ourselves. Let's say I go with yes. So it will show like this and it will show the person who voted. This is how we create our polls on WhatsApp. It's actually really easy to do and you will be able to work really easily and send voting polls in WhatsApp. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.